Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chukwu Icon. Today we shall be discussing is affidavit a criminal offense. This is one of the problems most Africans are having everywhere. Yes, as a matter of fact, before I decided to discuss on this particular issue was that I was in a Fidelity Bank in Lagos, Nigeria. So I saw a Fidelity Bank customer care rejecting an affidavit. So I decided to discuss this very issue before my people. So you know your rights, because one of the aims or number one aims of my YouTube channel is for you to know your rights. Though to be sincere, I have to disclose it. I'm not the kind of person that be afraid of people. I even told them there that you as a Fidelity Bank agent or as a Fidelity Bank customer care rejecting affidavit is a criminal offence. Please, you don't reject an affidavit. Provided the affidavit is sworn, the affidavit is signed, provided the affidavit is sworn, signed by a deponent and or before the authorized person or officer, it is valid. That is the law. Let's see the case of Maruka versus Nkedlem. Let's see the case of Oparugo versus Oparugo. Let's see the case of Madukoro. So Madukoro versus Nkedlem. Let's see the case of what's the name of this case again? Very famous case. Idris versus Diamond Bank. All this case discuss what you should know about affidavit. You can still contact an evidence. What's it called? You can still contact an oath act, depending the country you will be watching me from. Every country has what is called an oath act, as in the act that established taking of the oath, act that established affidavit. In Nigeria, you can still contact section 108 of Evidence Act as amended, section 109 of Evidence Act as amended. You can contact section 113 of Evidence as amended. You can contact section 117 as Evidence as amended. All these discuss about affidavit to know more about my discussion. But therein and there I had to disclose it with the lady if she doesn't know the implication of what she was about doing. What she was about doing, it is a very big problem. That she should know that she should not be rejecting an affidavit. So she kept quiet, but I have to tell her. I've not even had to start telling her that I'm a lawyer. No, I just told her, Madam, it is an offence to Fidelity Bank to reject an affidavit in Nigeria. Not just in Nigeria, in any country, provided it is sworn by a competent court. Provided it is sworn by a competent court of competent jurisdiction. Yeah, okay. And it must be sworn by a deponent. It must be sworn, signed, or marked by a deponent in the presence of authorized person or officer of the law that represents the court in that department of affidavit swearing of affidavit. So affidavit must be accepted once it is sworn. Once there is no fault dictated. Maybe let me just say that thing was not signed, or it was not marked, or it was not sworn in the presence of the authorized person, authorized officer. That one is another different thing. But once that affidavit once that affidavit is legal, let's use that word legal, that means it is lawful. And anybody, any company, any bank, anywhere rejects it, it's a criminal offense. It can arrest the person, it can sue the person for it. That is the law. No going back. So I don't see the reason why that bank should be rejecting an affidavit. I don't see the reason why a company should be rejecting an affidavit. Affidavit should be done in different ways. You have affidavit of age. Maybe you might have lost your age declaration certificate. You can go and show an affidavit. Maybe you might have lost your certificate. You can go and show an affidavit. Maybe you made a mistake in writing something. You can go and show an affidavit. Maybe you make any mistake. Affidavit, most of affidavits we are talking about, I know that court can never reject an affidavit. Yes. It is all these companies that are doing all this nonsense, and that's the aim of doing this. But court knows their right. Court knows the right, and they know what to do. You don't just be doing anything maybe because you are not you just believe that you are there. Because when the case comes in, you may be arrested. Even if you're not arrested, just say, let's just assume you're working for the company. Yes, the veil can be unveiled. That's what is called unveiled. You should go and watch the case of Solomon versus Solomon in company law. It says that once a particular someone commits offence in company, the veil will be the veil which is covering the person can be unveiled. That means the person will be separated. The person will be brought out from that veil that's covering him to suffer the consequence, to suffer what he or she has done. So that is the law. So after as you've listened to this, you know that it is legal for every company or every parastatal or anybody to accept affidavit, provided the affidavit is legal. So after listening to this my YouTube channel, you've known that it is your right for you to sue an affidavit. It's your right for any company or anybody to accept an affidavit, provided the affidavit is legal. Please underline my statement. I said legal. That means it must be legal. Legality is what it is number one sine qua non for the affidavit to be accepted. So thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I still remain on social support icon. Please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you.